Charisma is a set of qualities that allow a person to attract and charm others. While some people seem to be born with natural charisma, it is also possible to develop charisma with practice and effort. Here are some tips and tricks for developing your charisma. 1. Work on your confidence. Charismatic people are confident and self-assured. Work on building your self-esteem and self-confidence through positive self-talk, affirmations, and setting and achieving small goals. 2. They are genuinely interested in everyone. Remember how likable people are humble. Well, they're also not pretentious. They are genuinely interested in what everyone has to say. They want to hear their story. 3. Practice active listening. Charismatic people listen attentively to others and make them feel heard and understood. Practice active listening by paying attention to what others say and responding thoughtfully. 4. Develop your sense of humor. Charismatic people often have a good sense of humor and can make others laugh. Work on developing your sense of humor by watching comedy shows or reading humorous books. 5. Charismatic people are humble. People who are genuinely enjoyable to be around are humble, not arrogant. They don't wave awards in people's faces. They don't name drop for the sake of sounding important. They don't toot their own horns. They don't act like they're above any person or situation. 6. Be present and engaged. Charismatic people are fully present in the moment and engage with others in a meaningful way. Practice being mindful and present in your interactions with others. 7. Charismatic people are vulnerable. Incredibly likable people aren't afraid to open up. They don't seek approval from others and have no desire to come off as a perfectionist. Furthermore, they realize that those who do appear as perfect may actually be less likable. 8. Cultivate empathy. Charismatic people are able to connect with others on an emotional level and show empathy for their feelings. Practice putting yourself in others' shoes and imagining how they might be feeling. 9. Take care of yourself. Charismatic people often have a strong presence and take care of their physical appearance. Take care of your health by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and dressing in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. 10. Be authentic. Charismatic people are genuine and authentic, and don't try to be someone they're not. Work on being true to yourself and expressing your true personality. Remember, developing charisma takes time and practice, but with these tips and tricks, you can start building your charisma and attracting others with your charm and confidence. Thanks for watching.